While we smoking on the next grade, and we feeling like we fading. Oh, this bitch, she be hating, telling me to stop smoking the ganja. I tell this bitch to suck my anka, to suck me till I go blinking. I don't really care that this bitch keep on thinking. I don't really understand what they saying. All these guns come around, niggas ain't playing. See me smoking on the ganja, me don't give a fuck what these niggas saying, bruh. Me just tired of the bullshit. Me just take a nice bong hit and me just clear it. Me just make sure me pack it tight. Me just sure that we pack it right. Make sure that it's all green, and then you add the rest like the vitamin. You add it like it's fucking normal. I don't fuck with these niggas, yes they act like gerbils. Fuck that shit, man, this nigga look like a snake. I don't really care, I'm smoking up cause I'm feeling great. See, you can't fuck with my line. Don't you recognize that these niggas can do my crimes? See, my crimes are making me go to jail, but I don't really care, you don't know I'm gonna pay the bill. Oh, I'm gonna pay the lawyer. I don't really care, man, fuck you's a stoner. That's what the YG showed me. Fuck that shit, nigga, that's a YG only. Young times with the young thing. I don't really fuck with none of these veterans. Thinking that they're one, but they ain't moving shit. I don't really care, man, I cop back. Move it, Rick. Move it, bitch, cause I'm taking it. I don't really care what you showing, you ain't making it. You ain't done nothing for the team. You just sucking all this bitch so you getting clean. You can't fuck with the gunji, taking all this money. These bitches can't fuck with me. See, you don't know what I be. ADCHICO to the fucking death of me. Making money, man. I be selling it, making it, cooking it, grading it. Bitches be smoking it, toking it, smoking it. I don't care what you doing with it, as long as you ass sending me my money. I don't really care, nothing but a joke. I spit on your face cause I'm a veteran. I don't really care, my nigga, I ain't never scared of them. I send them to hell or heaven. I don't really care, I cock it back cause I'm 7 and 11. I'm feeling it so big, I don't really care, man. I don't feel